how did you structure these so that they were most beneficial? I assume you got really good after like the first 50 to 100.
Well, so it's interesting because like, early on, you don't even know what to ask. You're kind of just fumbling around. And I think over time, you get like different things out of the conversation. Like first, you sort of just get a lay of the land. So like when I was trying to decide whether I wanted to do consulting or banking, I wanted to do something junior year. And one of the big takeaways that I learned was, hey, it's really tough from a non-target school to do a consulting internship after your junior year. Like there are far fewer of those because they want to leave open the opportunity to hire people full time from like investment banking or other types of backgrounds.
I didn't know
Whereas,
that. See, you just taught me that. I didn't
well,
realize they left more slots open.
yeah, so there's a lot more recruiting. Like it's very common to see a lot of people who go into consulting that didn't have internships in
Yep.
consulting.
Okay.
Whereas, in banking, if you're going to spend 2 years working 100 hours a week, then you kind of need to test that out and see what that's like. And so the banks, I mean, I don't know what the stats are today. You probably know this way better than I do, but just like the expectation is that you do a junior internship in order to have a
Oh
shot
yeah.
at a
Oh yeah.
role.
The yield on these is crazy. I mean, most banks are between 70 and 90%, some are analysts to full-time offer rate. And
Yeah,
the yield on that is still incredibly high. Although it has dropped a little bit. It's not like severe. The bigger problem for the banks is the attrition and the
right.
analysts leaving so early or being
Mhm.
checked out because private equity recruiting happens